Are you ready to transform your Wix website from a digital maze into a user-friendly superhighway? Let's jump right into the Wix Editor first. Log into your Wix account and open the website you want to edit. To add a link to text, simply select the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. A toolbar will pop up. Click the link icon. In the link settings window, you'll see several options to link to another page on your website. Choose page and then select the desired page from the drop-down menu. For external links, select web address and paste the full URL of the website you want to link to. Don't forget to choose if it opens in a new tab. You can also add links to buttons. Click on the button, then select the link icon. Just like with text, choose the appropriate option and destination. Linking images works similarly. Click on the image, find the link icon, and choose where you want the image to take your visitors. Remember, effective internal linking is great for SEO, so strategically connect relevant pages to help search engines understand your website's structure. And that's it. You've now mastered the art of adding links in Wix. Go forth and create a more connected and engaging website for your visitors.